Hi, today we're going to be doing rainbow stamping using the Plume II Markers. For this project, we are going to be using Studio Cadia Confetti Kindness stamp set, along with the Mandala Flower medium and the following colors of the Plume II. We'll be using the red, scarlet, orange, yellow, olive green, sky blue, blue, and violet. We're going to begin by placing our stamp set on our stamp positioner and begin by coloring the rainbow using the violet, following with the blue, next with the lightest color of sky blue, moving on to olive green, overlapping a tad with yellow, orange, finishing up with scarlet and the red, and then stamping down. The purpose of a stamp positioner is so we can stamp it twice and get a clear image. Now we're going to begin by stamping the mandalas using each individual rainbow color around the sentiment. We're going to begin with the violet, coloring the entire image. It's best to place the nib of the marker a bit to a side and not coloring with the tip so you do not damage that tip of that marker. I'm going to clean each time I stamp the different color and follow the rainbow order from my sentiment. These markers could be used on acrylic stamps or on red rubber. We're going to continue following the color coordination of the rainbow and stamping around the sentiment, cleaning the stamp set each time we change color. Once we have stamped around the sentiment, we're going to use our Marvy jewel picker to actually place some of the Studio Cadia confetti onto the card. I have placed drops of adhesive around my selected places around the sentiment and using the Marvy jewel picker to pick those up. And that does it. Thank you so much for joining us today. Have a great day.